Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn surface areas and volumes together, step by step. This chapter measures solid shapes. Surface area is how much skin covers a solid. Volume is how much space it fills. We'll collect the formulas for cuboids, cylinders, cones, and spheres. For a cuboid, the surface area is 2 times LB plus BH plus HL, and the volume is length times breadth times height. A cube has all edges equal, so its surface area is 6a squared and its volume a cubed. For a cylinder of radius r and height h, the curved surface area is 2 pi rh. The total surface area adds the two circular ends to give 2 pi r times r plus h, and the volume is pi r squared h. A cone's slant height is the square root of r squared plus h squared. Its curved surface area is pi rl, total surface area pi r times r plus l, and importantly, its volume is 1/3 pi r squared h, a third of the matching cylinder. A sphere has surface area 4 pi r squared and volume 4/3 pi r cubed. A hemisphere, being half a sphere with a flat circular face, has total surface area 3 pi r squared and volume 2/3 pi r cubed. Take a cylinder of radius 7 and height 10, using pi as 22/7. The volume is pi r squared h. The 7 cancels nicely, leaving 22 times 7 times 10, which is 1,540 cubic units. For a sphere of radius 7, the surface area is 4 pi r squared. Again, the 7 cancels, giving 4 times 22 times 7, which is 616 square units. To recap the volumes, cuboid is LBH, cylinder pi r squared h, cone 1/3 of that, and sphere 4/3 pi r cubed. Pair each with its surface area formula and you can measure any of these solids. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.